About the home button, which is here in the manual menu, please don't use it when the printer is not been leveled yet. So when you just turn the printer on and it's still cold and it's not leveled yet, don't use it, because the printer does not know the coldness of the 0 point. It has to go to home itself, so it will go somewhere. So it can crash into the bed, it can go up all the way up where it ever can be before it starts to do something useful. So always use the level between to set it first when you turn on the printer. When it's all set, you can just leave the printer on, it will stay there. But also again, when it's cooled down and started up again, don't put the printer off without just re-leveling again.